Welcome to Ashraful BDTV FIFA South American Qualifiers Football World Cup 2026 after match week 7 point table standing last update number 10 Peru match 7 on 0 match lost 4 match draw 3 match point 3 number 9 Chile match 7 on 1 match lost 4 match draw 2 match point 5 number 8 Bolivia match 7 on 2 match lost 5 match draw 0 match point 6 number 7 Paraguay match 7 on 1 match lost 3 match draw 3 match point 6 number 6 Ecuador match 7 on 3 match lost 2 match draw 2 match point 8 number 5 Venezuela match 7 on 2 match lost 2 match draw 3 match point 9 number 4 Brazil match 7 on 3 match lost 3 match draw 1 match point 10 number 3 Colombia match 7 on 3 match lost 0 match draw 4 match point 13 number 2 Uruguay match 7 on 4 match lost 1 match draw 2 match point 14 and number 1 Argentina match 7 on 6 match lost 1 match draw 0 match point 18 subscribe to our channel to get any sports news update. Thanks for watching.